Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we're doing something different. What we're going to do today is look at practical printing using the Hypercube Infinite 3D printer. People often ask, what good is the Hypercube Infinite printer? Why would you want to print funny like that and go through all the trouble? So today I want to show you some of the useful prints that we can do. So you've probably seen from our intro that we were playing around with this skateboard that we made into like an electric skateboard. So it's just a straightforward motor, electronic speed controller. And we've got the radio control, so we were just controlling the speed with this remote control, but it's not very cool to use this. So we thought what we would do is try and make a controller with a button. So my son just made a simple box to prototype this in Fusion 360. Inside here we just have our Arduino Uno for testing, and there's a little battery to power it, and then the two wires that goes to the speed controller. Well, in future we're going to put a little Arduino Nano in here, so it's a much smaller unit. So that's just for testing, and we're going to replace the wires with a little RF module that communicates to another Arduino in here to control the speed. Now, where the practical printing comes in is with the cover. If we look in Fusion 360, you'll see that this is an organic shape, so we wanted it to be nice and smooth when you hold it in the hand. The edges are very rounded over here, and that's something that's quite hard to print when you print it on a normal printer because of this slight overhang here. And you'll see the surface, it looks alright, but it's not great, not very good at all. Because if you want to, you could print it like this. You'll have to have support all over here to make it print nicely. The difference is quite stark with printing with the Hypercube Infinite. Because we can print like this without any support, it maintains these beautiful organic lines, and the surface is also beautiful. This illustrates nicely what you can print. We're using a tilted bed belt printer as opposed to a standard Cartesian printer. Thanks for watching, and thanks for liking and subscribing. Hope you have a great day.